Well, Mark, this is just a short video to show you where I'm at with the interpreter. I've got a program, Validate2 or Validat2. I'm just going to show you that. .pass. There it is there. It's not a big program. It just does a few things. Test scan tests the intrinsic scan by comparing or finding Z in a string. Byte compare, simply test byte compare by comparing two strings, and test address works out whether the address function is working by using pmachine and ORD transfer function. And then, of course, time. I just record the time, then I do a delay and then record the time again. So I'll get out of this. Oops, hang on. I'm in the wrong mode. Alt F, X. No, I won't save that. We'll compile that program. PC157G IDAT2. Okay, that's compiled. Now I'll interpret it. But notice I've got debugging $D plus turned on. So we should be able to single step this. So we'll go INTERP7 and validate 2. So now what it's done, it's loaded the source code down here, and here's the output screen up here. Now I'm going to place a breakpoint after this loop, so on line 69. So I'm going to go B for breakpoint, slot 1, line 69. I'm going to save that. Okay, so I'm going to step into test scan by going F7 instead of F8 to step over. Here we go. So here we go, right line. Whoops, I've got something off, but anyway, don't worry about that. S is assigned that. Now we scan it, and Z is at 7, and that's correct. So we write that's okay. Press enter. So I'm pressing enter, and I'll go back to where we were. The byte compare, we'll just step into that. And that's okay. And press enter. And test address, we'll step into that. I assign a value to I. I use pmachine, push the address of P, push the address of I, and then stow and write the address, and that's actually correct. I know that's correct, -2384. And what P points to contains is the same as what I points to containing. So press enter. And end, and then we ran. I must have skipped that breakpoint, and there's our time delay. Oh, time's not quite right. Anyway, that's where it's at the moment, and seems to be, well, it's helping me debug anyway.